Welcome. If you've ever run an Instagram story with a sticker, like a poll, question, or quiz, you know how fun it is to see everyone's responses. But what if you want to filter those sticker responses by a specific date range? Maybe you're tracking engagement for a campaign, or just want to see what people said on a certain day. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to filter Instagram sticker responses by a custom date range. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you posted the stories. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, in the top right corner of your profile. Tap on it to open up the menu. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do, from posts and stories to interactions and more. Scroll down and find the option called Sticker Responses. Tap on it and you'll see a list of all the responses you've received from your story stickers. Now here's where the magic happens. At the top of the Sticker Responses page, look for the Filter by Date option. Tap on it and you'll see a few different ways to sort your responses. Choose Date Range. This will let you pick a custom start and end date for the responses you want to see. First, select your start date, maybe the day your campaign began. Then, select your end date, perhaps when your campaign finished or whenever you want to stop collecting responses. Once you've chosen your dates, tap Apply. Instagram will now show you only the sticker responses that were submitted within your selected date range. And that's it! You've successfully filtered your Instagram sticker responses by a custom date range. This feature is perfect for tracking engagement, analyzing trends, or just keeping your responses organized. Give it a try and make the most out of your Instagram stories.